Alright, so what's up you guys? It's your girl Jordan Christina. You clicked on this video because what in the world? I can't find that perfect foundation shade. It's too dark, it's too light, I look pasty. I get it, but you know, if you're looking at my skin right now, if you see, if you see how seamless it looks right now, you definitely want to keep watching this video. I definitely know how hard it is to find that perfect foundation color, and whether it's vegan or cruelty free. So if you keep watching this video, you're on the Jordan Christina channel. Everything's vegan and cruelty free here, so welcome. Definitely want to find that perfect skin tone, that perfect foundation shade while it's nourishing your skin under the pigmentation. Keep on watching. Okay, so let's get it on and popping with the key ingredients, aka secret ingredients. First, you're going to need some titanium dioxide. Next up, you're going to need some matte mica powder. It needs to be transparent. Also, you're going to need that shea butter. Next, you're going to need some brown oxide. Definitely good for pigmentation. Next, you're also going to need that jojoba oil, also the JO oil. Next, you're going to need some yellow oxide, also for pigmentation. So you're going to start off with the infamous bowl. So we're going to begin, and I'm going to use my wooden spoon for measurements because I have an idea of what I already am. So definitely, before you start this process, definitely look in the mirror. I give it a take about 5 minutes and just look for any blemish that you have. Look at what the color is. Look at your skin color. Like for me, I'm yellow as hell. Okay, my whole life. Alright guys, so first step is just the tip of your spoon with a little bit of titanium dioxide. Then you're gonna go in, not much as me, but just with some yellow oxide, however much you need. Next, you're gonna go in with some matte mica. Literally, I'm just using the tip of my spoon, not a whole lot. You wanna go with the phrase less is more. Now I'm going in with some brown oxide. I'm literally just using a pinch because I really don't need so much pigmentation. Notice if you do have brown oxide, it is very, very dark. So definitely be careful. And again, use the phrase less is more. You're going to thank me after this is all done and said with. And here I go in a blank space because I'm debating if I want to use just a little shimmer. So I grab it. So if you watch my previous videos, I go in with some Aztec Gold. Just a little bit, the tip of my spoon, not too much, just to add a little, glam. Alright guys, so before you begin mixing it, this is what it's going to look like as a powdered form. So in this time frame, you're going to be using just a half of a tablespoon of jojoba oil, and you're going to begin mixing it. You can also add a half a tablespoon of shea butter if your skin is not oily, if you're experiencing dryness. It's definitely becoming the thick of the winter. It's November, so I get it. So use as much as you need. And now all I'm doing is pouring the finishing product in a sealed container, and give yourself a pat on the back if you came this far. So just some keys to the streets when messing with foundation and trying to find that perfect shade. Always remember the phrase less is more, because you never know if too much brown oxide is just going to cause it to go in a dark hole. You don't know if too much yellow oxide is going to cause it to to start all over again. So just make sure you're using the correct measurements for your skin tone. Like I said, again, definitely practice looking in the mirror a good 5 minutes and just seeing all the tones in your skin, whether you're neutral, yellow, red. It's so many things to this, but it's so much fun. A product that's gonna last you forever, plus it's vegan and cruelty free, man. I'm not trying to get any more blemishes messing with any other product. Hey you guys, so this is the finished look. It looks very seamless. It does match my arm color. The way I check for if the foundation is right or the concealer is right is if it matches your forearm. So definitely put your forearm up, however you do it. Definitely do the neck check to see if it's seamless or whatever. And I think your girl might be onto something. I think you should keep watching this channel. you know, it might do some benefits. So it definitely hid my blemishes like I wanted it to, so I definitely think it's a full coverage foundation. You can also use it as a light coverage foundation or a concealer. You can make it a concealer by putting some more titanium dioxide in it. It is up to you. Definitely give yourself a big thumbs up, a big, you know, pat on the back, because it's definitely trial and error with your skin, and your skin is the most precious thing on your body. So definitely take care of it, especially with vegan, cruelty-free products. Definitely consider what the oils you're putting into it and antioxidants that you're putting into it. The foundation is full coverage. It's very seamless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, if it was smooth for you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if your questions were unsolved. I'll definitely, you know, be down there looking and, you know, connecting with all of you guys. It definitely means the world to me when you guys do subscribe and like and comment on the video, because that's how I know I'm gonna put more stuff out there. Definitely stay tuned for next Thursday. It's gonna be a real treat. You guys follow me on social media, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Definitely I'm gonna be posting some polls on some makeup looks that I will recreate for you guys in my next video. And thank you again. So, you know, enjoy this grand rising, enjoy this grand afternoon, you know, but peace.